To meet farmers' needs for more trait choices and weed control and more flexibility than ever before, Bayer Crop Science and Channel Seeds are excited to talk to you today about some soon-to-be-approved triple-stack soybeans called XtendFlex Soybeans. These soybeans are tolerant to glyphosate, low-volatility dicamba formulations, and glufosinate herbicides. Let's take a look at 4 soybean varieties that are poised to make a big impact for Channel Seeds in 2021. XtendFlex RXF brings top-end performance, placement versatility, and excellent standability to the Channel Seeds lineup. This variety can be planted across a wide range of yield environments. Breeder data suggests XtendFlex RXFs will be good against white mold. Right now, we recommend Olivo for SDS protection until we can confirm its tolerance. XtendFlex RXF brings dependability and excellent emergence along with it. Target variable to optimum acres for best performance of this soybean. Avoid highly manured fields, and this will help improve standability. We are currently watching XtendFlex RXF in the summer of 2020 in our plots to learn more about its defensive characteristics. XtendFlex RXF is a fuller season soybean with excellent emergence and standability. It's also resistant to southern stem canker. Target rolling acres or well-drained acres to take advantage of its medium-tall plant height. Olivo is going to be a must in any environments where SDS could be a problem. XtendFlex RXF is the star of the mid-3 relative maturity lineup with excellent top-end yield potential and top scores for emergence and standability. Widely adapted, this soybean should be able to handle tight, poorly drained soils, and you can watch its yield potential improve as field productivity increases. It has an average tolerance to SDS, so consider Olivo in SDS pressured areas. Its plant type is medium and has an excellent tolerance to brown stem rot. We have made substantial investments in the XtendFlex soybean pipeline to deliver both strong agronomic performance and high yield potential in all maturities. To support the 2021 launch of XtendFlex, we have built robust field trial plans to provide multiple opportunities for farmers to continue to learn about XtendFlex soybean varieties. Talk to your channel seedsman, your field sales rep, or your technical agronomist today to learn more about the XtendFlex soybeans for your 2021 acres.